So I'm Excel Guru Rajnikant. So here I'm sharing the, you say, okay, yeah, okay. Now I'll explain you. They are actually I don't want to reveal the company name. It's a violation in rules. Okay, so okay. So I will explain you. First of all, I'll explain the queries and later I'll explain the solution. And right now, here our flights are there. Okay, here the ranges, the meters, how much meters will go like this. Okay, so for 45 flight range, what will be the name the flight? Which flight is red? Which flight range is 45 meters? Okay, you have to keep concentration on this. Okay, you have to keep concentration on this. Which flight will go till 45 meters? Okay, so here I'll explain you. One second. Okay, here I'll explain you the procedure. Okay, I'll remove this one. Okay, here, first of all, here is the text. We need 2-digit numbers from left side. Left of this range F4, 2. But if you will have more than 2 numbers from the left, so what you will do? So it will get us some problem in large data. So you have to use search of hyphen comma in this range F4 -1. So let us check how many of the positions will be correct or wrong by pressing function key F9. 3. No. Here extra space is there. After 20 meters, extra space is there. Now take it. Hit 2. F9. First of all, we'll do this one. F9. 3. Why 3? Let me check. It should be 2. F9. Yes. Now okay. F9. See. It is called a text numbers but not a numbers. Okay, it's a text number but not a number. Okay, I will zoom a little bit. Okay, it's a text numbers but not a number. How can you say it's a text number? Simply, it is in double quotes. So convert text numbers by doing any mathematical operator, that is double negative. F9. See. Now double quotes have gone from the numbers. Now what you will do? Simply use lookup function. Lookup, open the bracket, take this one as a lookup value, and if found anything, here is not, there is no duplicate. Okay, here there is no duplicate, comma, select the range. With duplicate, it will pick up the last occurring value. Okay, it is duplicate. In previous session, I explained this one. Okay, now I'll press only enter. Flight 5. Yes. If I change to 50, it will show you 6. If I change to 51, 6 only. If I change to 65, it's only till 70, but not 70. Till 70, it will pick up the previous one. If it is equal to, then it will pick up the exact. So you will press, if I press 20, it will pick up 1. Till 24. So I type 24, 25, it will pick up the right 2. Okay. See how it will work. First of all, we'll go to formula evaluator by pressing tough, T-U-F, tough. Evaluate. First, it will pick up this one, B3. So it is showing 25. Okay. Now the underline will explode. I mean, it will expand. See, all it will expand. Evaluate. Evaluate. Now it becomes the text numbers in array. Automatically text numbers will convert into a number by using mathematical operator. Okay. Now, coming to the next topic. What I said, who reached for the target 80%? 1500 is the target. Who reached greater than or equal to 1500? I mean, say 80%. Sorry. Okay. I will show you how to do this one. Is equal to, what will do first of all? This whole thing, F4 divided by target. F4. Now evaluate and check F9. See, it's in percentage. It's in percentage. Okay. Control Z is greater than or equal to 80%. Till 80% or greater than 80%. Okay. Okay. Here I'll type F4 because it should not move anywhere. F9. See, it will show you some true and some falses. Now, what I'll do, simply small if, comma, row, open the bracket. If it finds anything true, row of this F4 minus row of this F4 plus 1. Okay, it will pick up the position of the true. Why I am taking this one? Because I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, you can't hard code it with this because I am making it a formula as a dynamic. If I take the k value 1, what will happen? We pick up first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First the smallest. Here is the smallest values I will show you. Array F9. See, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. These many are there. If I type 1, it will pick up first the smallest. If I type 2, it will pick up the second smallest. If I type 3, it will pick up the third smallest. Like that. Okay. So I don't want to hard code. When I drag formula, it should become 1, 2, 3 like this. So rows F$16. I'm in F16. I'm locking the row, but not the column. Right. Now highlight. It will pick up 4 because it is a 1. It is 1. F9. See. Okay. Now we want index part. Index of what you need sales representative F4, comma, the row number will be 4, F9. Okay, if I press F9, it will show, I'll not close the parenthesis, F9. Control, Shift and Enter. It's an array function. To rid of errors, you have to use if error. If you find any error in this function, so give me the blank. Else run this formula as it is. Control, Shift and Enter. So any doubt, ask me. Here is the amazing thing. Here is the amazing thing. What I said. Join the first and last name by using vlookup and make it up as a proper like this. Like this, it has to make it. Okay, like this. So what I'll do, I'll remove and I'll show you the magic. Okay, is equal to vlookup, this one, ampersand, space, ampersand, this one, comma, this one, there is a delimiter, that is space, ampersand, this one, F4. I have to log this one also, table array, F4, okay, control Z, F4. Space is a delimiter, okay. Column index number will be 1, comma 0. So I press enter, see what will happen. Because here we are using array. In case of taking one table, we have concatenate two ranges in one formula. So it considers an array function. So what you'll do here, you have to press Control, Shift and Enter. Double click. And to make it proper, there is a proper function. First letter of the first name will be capital, second letter of the first name is the capital. Control, Shift and Enter. Is it right? And what I said, whenever press any number over here, you should repeat that many times. Okay. If I type 1, see, if I type 2, if I type 6, as much as it is. Okay. I'll show you. Columns of $C43 colon C43. What will happen? Let us check. I'm locking the column but not the row. It will increase the numbers 1, 2, 3 like this. See. It will count how many are there from here. It is logged. So it will count how many are there. 1, 2, 3. Now what we will do? We will make it a dynamic by using if function. If I drag these columns, if anything finds greater than 6, F4, to lock all sides because I'm dragging the formula in column way. Okay. Then if it is more than 6, give me the blank. Or else you have to repeat this one. It's a normal function. It's not an array function. It's a normal function. Control Enter. Okay. So drag formula till end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I type 3, when I type 1, when I type 0, when I type 10, this is not sufficient. Still here only I took. Okay. 5. Okay. Now here is the ultimate dynamic way. Okay. Dynamic way. I don't know, so many people asked this one in some group also. Okay. First of all, you have to find the total of C. Row 1, SR1, WS. Row 1, so this one, rest, SR1, this one, both are there. Okay. So if I count both, what will happen? It will show you. Row 1, SR2 is there. Here it is. Row 1, SR1, here it is. Now it will count 4889. See how I'll do this one, I will explain it. Okay. First of all, what you will do, index of, take the whole table, which is having only the numbers, comma, I want total column. Total columns I need like this, total. So I skip that one. So index will understand that with a formula, we need total columns. Now match of west, comma, whole column, F4, comma, 0. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now see what will happen if I highlight F9. It will pick up all the numbers from the west. F9, see. 233013422607771 all numbers. Control C. Sum if there is two conditions. So sum if and sum range. Right. Sum range will be this comma criteria range 1. This will be criteria range 1 F4 comma criteria this one comma criteria range 2 this one F4 comma criteria 2 this one F4 close parenthesis. Mouse is not listening my enter. Format as like this means you have to use control shift to dollar. It will convert like this. If I change west to east, what will happen? North. It will change automatically in the northward. Okay, it will change automatically northward. If I change SR1 to okay, what will happen? SR2, row 1, row 1, row 1, SR2, take this one. Row 1, SR2, take this one. If I add this both, it will get this one. Okay. See, I like to do conditional format for this. Okay. Let's try it. Let's try it. So what I'll do, just I'll copy the whole thing, Control C, and I'll paste exactly opposite to this, Control V, and I delete all the things. And what I'll do is equal to just three conditions: region, product, and sales representative. So I will use and from here I'm starting and row 1 F4 F4. So proven in a row wise. So I'm locking the column but not the row, equal to this cell. Okay, I locked this one. Sorry, I did reverse. F4. I'm locking this one all sides and this one only the column but not the row. Comma another condition. SR2 F4 equal to this one. It has also to check column wise. Sorry, row wise. Comma, and another thing is that not F4 equal to this. I'm locking the row here. Let's check it and see if I drag formula, what will happen? Let me check. What happened? See here, 2 is there. Only 1, 2 came. For row 1, that's also from wrong, I think so. So intersection of this is not working. Only 1, 2, 2 truths. So okay. Not working. So let me do another method here. What I'll do is just I'll use match form. Match of north F4 comma F4 comma 0. Let's try. Okay, control C, control C, C, C. It's not an array function, right? Why it is doing like this? I'm not able to yes. Okay, just copy this formula from here. F2, control C, escape. Go to the table, select the table, go table, Alt XLN. Page down, go to end, control V, format, bold, fill with any color, font will be the white or green. If I change row 1, I don't know what to my mouse. I don't know what happened to my mouse. Go to SR2 and then not also it is showing. Okay. Wanted to edit to show you to understand you better. Okay. Here another thing is that you have to match with the list 1 to list 2. Okay. So everyone thinking that match can look up, but I will give more than one. Okay. Look up in this range F4, comma in this range F4, comma 0, F9. So we are interested in errors because we are interested in errors. So what you will do is error. If you find any error in this function, not if error, it is error. So it will show you the true and falses. Index of F4, comma the same function which I used to use regularly. F4, wait a minute, it's an error. Oh, A55, F4 plus 1, comma, rows, open the bracket, F $54, colon, F64. $22, not 70. Okay. F9, see, Control Shift Enter. I want to check which is not available in this range. Okay. One is not there here. See, Kant is there. If you want to find which is available here, which is not available, so what I'll do, I'll copy this formula from here and I'll paste over here F2. What I'll do, instead of is error, you have to find is number. You find the things which is matching both sides. Okay. Now coming to here, this is the last thing. You find the total commission for the month of Jan, 13 Feb to March, see, April. So total of that. Okay, we will do it that one. They are duplicate. F4 equal to this. I think very easy, guys. Very easy. You have to keep a little bit of concentration on that. And into adding commission to those persons. That's it. Now use some products to calculate all the things. Product and Control Enter. Sorry guys, my mouse is not proper. I don't know why, what's happening with. Okay, my cursor is also moving. Without touching my mouse, my cursor is moving. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any doubt, please mention below in the comment box. And thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Ask me. Okay, coming to second. This is the right answer. 2180 is the right answer. Okay.
Okay, 21.80.
Yes. What they are asking, they are asking to wait a minute. By using vlookup, calculate the retail price of diapers by adding the markup percentage to the cost.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to add this to this. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, sir, I got the answer, but I don't know. I didn't again recall this function again because somehow I have performed.
Okay.
Then I forgot the logic.
Okay, nothing is there. Just this is the lookup value. Diapers is the lookup value, and table array. The diaper should be in the first column.
Yes.
Diaper should be in the first column. What I'm doing here, I'm doing some tricky part, selecting actually every people what they will do, they will select this like this. Wait a minute.
Sir, your voice is not clear. I'm audible.
Yes, yes, yes. You are audible. Now are you okay? Now okay. Hello, Ravi, Mr. Ravi. Are you able to hear my voice?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Everyone will do like this. They will take this one plus again 3.
So
But
you
yes, go
have
ahead, go ahead.
used two vlookup and add
But
the value.
now I will do only one VLOOKUP.
Okay, okay.
Actually, they will do like this. Everyone will do like this. Maximum people. But
Mm-hmm.
I will do in another method
Okay.
with only one VLOOKUP. Diapers, the same thing. But here is the logic that I am giving array constraint that I need two and three columns
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and
So you
zero.
have passed the array.
Yes, I need two things, two and three. Second
Mm-hmm.
column and third column.
Yes.
F9. Now I will add these both things by using some product.
Okay.
So this is the right answer.
Okay, okay.
Any doubts here?
Sir,
All,
but the doubt is, but sir, value of diaper is like 21.45.
yes. What they are
If we
asking?
are,
No, no. Listen. First of all, listen. It's a retail price. The whatever they given there is wholesale price. So it's a retail price to 2180 for
mm-hmm.
35%. For 35%, 2180. What they are asking? Clearly they mentioned by adding the markup.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm adding and
Markup is
showing them. Yes, go ahead.
markup is 35%.
Yes.
If we calculate the markup percentage for cost, it will become 7.50. If we will add 21.45 plus 7.50, it will become somewhere around 28.
Wait a minute. Like this. You're saying like this. You're saying like this, you have to find, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it. Here what they are doing, here what is happening. Just what is wait a minute.
Okay.
Showing these two things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now surely you have to add another one then by using another VLOOKUP. 2180, okay, okay. Yes, which one you want? This one you want. Second one, right?
We have to extend our table also.
Yes, yes. Second time you have to use.
Hmm.
What is happening? Wait a minute. F9.
Okay.
It has to take actually. Why it's not taking?
Sir,
Just a
one thing I
minute.
want to ask here. You are doing control F9 or 9?
F9, only F9.
Only F9.
Only F9. There is no control F9.
Okay.
To evaluate the function, to check whether it's
Yeah,
working or not.
yeah. Because I'm using, so I think it is not working for me.
No, no, it will work. It will work.
So we
What
we
I'll
need to
do,
select only parenthesis.
no parenthesis. Wait a minute. F2. What I'll do here, instead of the giving method, so I'll do this one. You have to add now, just use add here.
Hmm.
Giving more than that. Actually, it has to give, actually. It has to give, brothers. Where I went wrong. The procedure is correct, but I don't know where I went wrong. Instead of doing like this, simply use like this then.
Sir, we have passed 2 and 3 in the first VLOOKUP. Can we remove 3? Third one, array. You have passed an array because now we are
Yeah,
adding the
yeah, no, it
another
is,
thing.
no, right, right. Whatever you said, it's right. But it's picking two things.
Mm-hmm.
Just we want two things now.
Okay, okay. So
We
second is
want
for
two things first.
diaper.
Yes.
Okay.
For that reason,
So
I have
sir,
taken two.
no, I got it, your point. So we have clearly mentioned diaper here. So we will look for the value from the second column. There is no need of third column.
No, you have to calculate the percentage then.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
And whatever the percentage. After
Yes.
doing both things, you have to add to the cost.
But if you calculate the 35% of 21 point,
Already
it will,
21.82.
yeah, it will give something else. Like suppose I'm calculating 21 point into 35%, it is showing 7.50. This is the
Yes, yes,
percentage coming out.
yes,
But in your case, it is showing point 0 or 0.35.
yes.
So this is wrong something.
No, no, no. Actually, what I mean to say that here it is adding both things. Adding both things. So if you want,
Okay.
we can do like this. For your clarification, what is the spelling actually? What they are given spelling? For your clarification, I'm doing like this. I'll take both. Nothing will happen. 2 into we look up same thing. Diapers, comma, the same thing, comma
No, this
3,
video will take from third. Okay.
comma 0. So
Yeah,
it is
this
came
is the
now.
value coming out.
Okay. Now
So
simply
that's why.
add that one then.
Hmm. So in your first attempt, so it was showing 0.35. That is why it is showing
No, no. What
21.82.
actually happening in some product means it will multiply.
Hmm.
Sorry, it will add. Sorry, it will add. Actually, we
Okay.
have to do multiplication.
So will this help? Will this formula, the last one formula will help us?
This one. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Simply we
So
can add another one also.
yes.
The same procedure, just we have to another one here.
Now we have to look
Control
for
C.
like select item and cost this time.
Now what we have to look up? The second one.
Second column.
Somewhere, what happening here? The right now. Okay, I did double we look up here.
Double VLOOKUP. You have added double VLOOKUP.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. This is the final value we have now.
Yes.
Hmm.
Actually, instead of this, I can use the some instead of some product, I have to use sum here. Instead of some product, if I'll do sum, it will work.
Sum total we can use.
Some product, actually, some product will has to work actually. Some product actually it has to work. I don't know why it's not working over here. It has to work. Some product has to work
Hmm.
over here.
Hmm.
Maybe some problem over there. Because the
Okay,
procedure. Okay,
okay.
okay, okay. We'll do.
Okay.
We'll
I
do
got
one
the
thing.
point. I got the point.
Now,
I got the point, sir. Because we are
yes,
selecting two or three column respective to diapers.
yes.
So first of all, the percentage value is getting changed 0.35. It is not doing
Mm,
anything. It is just
mm.
adding the value.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm saying.
Yes. And
Now see.
it is not calculating the 35% of 21.45.
Now see. What I did instead of sum, I used the product function.
Mhm.
I used only one vlookup to find out 7.5075.
Mm.
I took two here. So I highlight only the product part and I will show you.
So apart from me, is there anyone else is attending this session?
Yes, yes. Mr. Anand, you can unmute by yourself. Mr.
So sir,
Anand,
first,
yes, good.
so this is the first meeting I have with you. So may I know from where are you?
I'm from Hyderabad, brother.
Hyderabad.
Yes.
Okay, so you are by profession teacher or you are doing a job?
Actually, I'm MIS manager.
MIS manager.
Yes, sir. In ICL Corporate Private Limited.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great.
Now, here coming to this second query.
So sir, this helper column I have added for
No,
my
no, no, no,
convenience.
no, 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 no. I will show you. No need to worry. I'll show. I'll explain you.
Okay.
Here it is. So, wherever P and name should match,
Hmm.
where P and name should match, then we have to get that percentage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Hmm.
what I'll do, match of P ampersand this one.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now see, not yet over here. F9. So P and Julie will add.
Hmm. Hmm.
But P and Julie is not here. P Julie is not here. Like this.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If you select like this, it will be wrong.
Okay.
It it will be wrong. See, I'll show you how it can be. Select this one, look up array F9. So it will separate that one, row and column. So we have to join both things.
Okay.
Okay, so what you will do here, I'll delete this one. Select all those things. Ampersand, the same procedure.
Hmm.
Now it will pick up F9. How it will look? It will look the lookup array F9. So it will pick up the position. So simply use index of this. Now it's not a normal function. It's an array function. If you enter, it will give you value error. You have to use Control Shift and Enter.
Okay.
Okay, understood this one?
So basically, in match function, we have taken a separate column for like status of present and in the second column we have taken the name. Then we have add both.
Yes, 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 yes. It is because they are asking to use only index and match.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, another procedure is there, but they are asking only to giving output with index and match.
Mm.
For that reason, you have to use like this. Can we try with some
So
product? Is it possible with some product? I'm
Sir, I
asking you
don't know.
guys.
I have not used more some product because I'm
It's a
new,
dynamic
totally new
function,
here.
brother. It's a dynamic one. More than index and match, it will work. What I'll do? Okay, it's hidden. Right. Okay. Mm. What I'll do with some product I will do because I like to show you. Okay, they are asking only with this. For that reason, I did like that. F9. Wherever it finds, it will show us the true. Remaining
Mm-hmm.
are all falses. Why some product is dynamic, I will show you. It's an array function. There in index and match, we use the control shift and enter. But here we are not supposed to use that one.
Okay.
Is equal to this one. I'm not locking. F9. See, wherever it finds, it will pick up true into true 1. Hello, are you there, brother?
Yes, it is only
In
taking only one.
yes, only one name is there with a matching of P. Now see the magic. To come out that one, just use some product. This is another method. Zero only because it is not found over there. For that reason, it is showing the zero.
Hmm.
Both are same. See. And coming to question number 7, you asked, right?
Yes, sir.
It's very, very easy. Actually, the person who are there, I don't know, they are confusing you. That's it. Okay, what you'll do simply just use a little bit of knowledge. That's it. That's not a big magic and tricky methods are not there. Just select the
Actually,
range.
sir, I'm doing like I'm learning this MIS like Excel. I'm doing something else. I want to switch my domain. I'm working in healthcare. So recently my process has been ramped down. So I have moved to another process.
Okay,
So since we are working from home, so what I'm doing, I'm upskilling myself
okay.
for
Good,
growth
good,
purpose.
good. No, nothing is there. I'm here to help you.
Hmm.
Actually, what they are doing, they are confusing you. That's it.
Okay.
Just select the range, still marketing, type marketing here. Okay, enter.
Hmm.
Whenever you click marketing, it will select, I'll select somewhere else like this.
Hmm.
If I select marketing, it will select only marketing.
Hmm.
The same
So
way,
okay.
go ahead. The
Sir,
same way, oh,
actually,
mm,
so it is already done in this sheet.
no. What you did wrong.
Okay.
I've checked that one. I've checked that one and removed that one also.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
Mm. Sales. What you did, you selected this one also. Like this you did. So it will pick up
No,
only this thing.
okay, okay. I
I checked
didn't
it.
do that.
I deleted that one. IT. Okay. The simple method is there. Is equal. Sorry. Alt DL for data validation. Alt DL. I think my the screen, the data validation screen will not be visible to you. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Ribbon is visible to us.
The dialog box also.
No, dialog box is not
Dialog
appearing
box
as well.
won't be. Okay. I will show you the formula over here. No need to worry. F3. It will display all names. If I press IT F9, it will pick up all those things. So what I'll do here, instead of I'll do, because we are calling the range by
Yes,
using
sir.
indirect function in data validation. So I
Okay.
will use this one. This one I copy from here. We are calling, it will show you this one, F9. Just I'm calling because we are using data validation. So data validation will not understand if you do directly. You have to call from the cell address that there is some name. That name is having some range. So you have to call in from data validation. This one I will use in data validation. Alt DL. It is sales. If I go to marketing, okay, F2 some Alt DL. Okay, I have not used the equal sign. Here I did not use the equal sign. Indirect. Now let me check. See, for marketing, for operations,
Okay.
for sales.
So, sir, you have just defined the name range, and in the data validation, you have used the indirect and given the this range G6.
Because if you type directly, it will not understand. Data validation will not understand. See, here it is understanding that we need IT. Okay, if I press F9, it will show you.
Okay.
But in data validation, we are calling from the cell. We are telling data validation that in a cell some value is there. For some value there is a range. We are
Okay,
named
okay,
over a
okay.
range.
I got it, I got it. So now we are indirectly calling whatever the we have assigned for IT. So
Yes,
it will not call IT, it will call whatever we have assigned to IT.
yes.
The value we have assigned in name range, it will
See,
catch the value.
because I can't able to show you this one. I don't know why it's not displaying on the screen.
Mhm.
The dialog box. If uh, if we'll do it directly, it will not understand.
Okay.
Oh, come on! It's also working over there. Let let me check operations. Borrow. See, it's not working. Only borrowed is showing. See, it's not working. If I'll go to IT, it will work. But here it is not working.
Let me try with the
No, no,
different.
no. It's working, brother. It's working, brother. Directly use equal sign and press this one in data validation. Select the value. It's working.
Indirect.
It's working. It's working.
Okay.
This is the first time I'm using this one.
Hmm.
See, I'll try marketing. Okay, marketing bingo is there. Again, what happened?
It's working, sir. I have also applied the same.
Directly equal sign is applying without indirect.
Without equals, without indirect, it is working.
For me, it's not working.
Okay.
It's showing only one thing.
Let me
Default.
check.
It is taking default.
Okay. Let me
It is
check
not
with.
changing anything. If I change marketing to IT, what will happen? Okay, IT already is there now. So instead of IT, use some other else like operations and check over here. See, it will not work.
No, it's not working. If I'm
You
directly
have to
giving
call.
the
You have to
cell
call.
reference.
You have to call. You have to call indirectly from the
Mm-hmm.
database because you are using another application now. If it is direct, it will not work. We are using another application, another function. So if you are using another function, you have to pick up indirectly.
Okay.
If it is direct, you can use it. But we are taking help from another application. For
Hmm.
that reason, it will not work. You have to use indirectly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And for this question, send me that file to in a group. Also, nothing will happen. Let me check it.
So, sir,
Okay.
could you please go to my formula? I will tell you what I have changed.
Okay, sure, sure, sure. Okay, go ahead.
So click on the second one, 2682. I want to make it change. No, no, no. The second question. Yeah,
2682.
this one.
Okay,
So in and I have changed the column instead of three. I have put the one. Could you please change this to one?
very good.
And same for the last one. So, sir, what happened? I just
Very
find
good,
the
very
match.
good. But here is the one thing, one thing. The procedure you took is the wrong. Okay, the
Hmm.
function, whatever it may be, right. I'm not saying it's wrong. You did not done any mistake. What I mean to say that if you are using index of these two things, right?
Mm-hmm.
How, hmm But actually, what happened here? Here duplicates are there. Did you observe that
Yeah,
one?
yeah. Yes, sir.
Then how? Then how can you find if it's
Mm-hmm.
duplicate? How can you take a minimum from the duplicate?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the
So
logic you
this
have to
is
use.
yes, sir. This is the thing, same thing I have post in the comment because when I got to know who is the minimum, then I see there are
No, no, no,
three
no. Listen,
people
listen,
with
listen,
the
listen.
minimum value.
No, no, listen, listen. We will use just a common sense. Just a common sense. Okay? Then easily we will get it.
Mm-hmm.
He visited minimum number of customers. If he visited minimum number of customers, the net sales also will be minimum. Did you got my point?
No, could you please come one more time?
Okay, see once again. Here, observe here, and here.
Mm-hmm.
As per number of customers, the sales will also become minimum.
Mm-hmm.
Little bit of
Okay.
common sense.
Okay. So,
Hmm.
okay.
Just they want to what to say, they want to confuse you.
Mm-hmm.
So this will be the actual minimum customer. Give me
Mm. With net
because
sales.
because he did minimum sales with minimum customers.
Mm.
Did you got my point?
Yes, sir, I got your point. So, answer should be Jimmy.
Give me.
So, okay.
Can you do it or can I explain you this one also?
Let me try.
The same method, the same whichever I said. This one only you can use it, but the
So
little bit
here,
different.
we will like need
Two
to
things are
add
there.
minimum. Hmm?
Two things you have to add. This one you have to check, and this one you have to check. Then it
Yes,
will be
sir.
match. Then it will be match. Then pick
Mm-hmm.
up this one. Sorry, not this one. This one will be match.
Okay, please allow me some time, so I will do.
Okay, no, after half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, take your own
Yeah.
time.
Mm-hmm.
I'll end of this session now here. Okay,
Okay.
this is
Mm.
the you have to use minimum common minimum. We have to use, not you. We have to use minimum knowledge. Here profit was also very less, double to one.
Mm.
Compared to this,
Yes.
this one also less. So obviously Jimmy will be the low
Mm-hmm.
sales. Okay,
Mm-hmm. But sir, my
okay.
question is that if we are going for an interview, if we are like finding a value of John, so it is coming like a first. So will it okay to with John or we just need to find for Jimmy?
As per this table, you have to find the Jimmy.
Okay.
If it is not
Mm-hmm.
having this one, then John is the right answer.
Okay, okay. So
If
the
D and the
mm-hmm.
remaining is not there, then John will be the right answer. If it is,
Okay,
definitely they will give both. Definitely they
okay,
will give, because here duplicates are there.
so this is the tricky part of MIS interview.
Yes, just you have to use little. As per just to minimum knowledge we have, just now I come to know this one after interacting with you.
Okay.
Just check it out. What's going on here? That's it. First observe the table, then definitely you'll get the answer.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay, sir. Please allow me time, so I will work upon this. I will post this once I have done.
Yes, you can post in the group. Nothing will happen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Try to this one also 1088 is the right. After the procedure is how you have to do means I will explain you. Index of you want the name right? F4 comma match of minimum no? Match of 1088 comma index comma 0. But how you did? Why you are giving the column number? I'm not able to understand this one. No need of giving column number, brother.
Okay.
Because see, if you're taking whole range, then you have to pick up the column number.
Okay.
But
Sir,
you're
I
not
have
taking the
taken
whole table,
the
you're taking only one range.
no. I have taken complete table, so that's why I have given a
Yes,
row.
yeah, but that's what. No need of if you see.
Okay.
No, the answer is correct. I'm not telling wrong. The
Mm-hmm.
procedure is this one is there. That's it.
Okay. So actually, sir,
Yeah.
I am doing like a say I have a basic knowledge of this, so I am
No
doing
need to
like
worry.
this.
Me also having a little bit of knowledge. Do you know? Do you understand that one? I'm not a master or nothing else. I'm also like you
Got
only. Everyone is a student in the world.
Hmm.
Okay? No need to worry. Whenever you're having doubt, please let me know.
Yeah, sir. Sure.
Just post it after completion of this solution. And
Okay,
let me
sir.
think
Sure.
in what way you will do.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
Can I leave now?
Yeah. Thank you for your session, sir. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
brother. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Hi friends, this is Excel Guru and here I'm sharing the screen. Here is the screen. Okay. So first of all, I asked this query in my Excel group. Till now they are not yet responded. Okay. So here I'll explain you the query. Okay. Right. What I said, which flight traveled. If I enter any number, it will display over here to show the number here. Okay. So what I'll do here, see, first of all, I'll explain you one thing, guys. Numbers always align. Definitely, it will for our you, I mean, say, to understand better. It will align automatically to right side. The text align always to be left side. The text always align to left side. Numbers always align to right side. Okay. First of all, remember this thing. It's very important. And some people will make like this. So we are unable to find it out which is number, which is a text number and which is a normal number. In the text number, suppose if I do like this, sorry, see, this is not equal to this. If I do like this, is equal to this, say false. But we can view that the two numbers are there. They will do. Now tell me which is a number and which is not a number, text number, which is a text number and which is not a number. Okay, see here. Some people will do like this. So you have to find what is right. Okay, how to find? I will explain. First of all, we'll go to here the function randomly. I will take 252. Okay, 252 kilometers. Okay, now I will explain you how to find this one. So observe guys, this is aligned to right, not left. So see, aligned to right means always it's a number. What I'll do, just a click on that and you can see here the number. If I the same thing, if I'll do like this, 192 kilometers, then it will align to left because it's a text. You can see kilometers also here, but here you're not seeing kilometers. Here you are seeing the kilometers. Adding a text is nothing but it's a text. Okay, so it's a number. How they read this number? Just read it like this. Hash, not hash, sorry. Hash kilometers in format itself. See, I click here and I will show you control 1. See here how they did. Whatever number you'll keep, it will automatically show like this. Like this. Suppose if I enter 190, see it's a number. I'm not entering anything, just entering 190. Enter. Automatically it will show the kilometers also. It's a formatted one. You have to understand that one. In some interview they'll do like this. They'll do like this and they will format like this. Wantedly they want to format like this. Now see. It's a Jan. But aligned to right. Aligned to right means it's a number. Simple thing. Aligned to right is a number. If you want to justify which is a number and which is not which is a number and which is a text number, just click on that, you will be able to see. If any special character added to that number, it's called a text number. Any special character. Okay. Only enter number means it will show you only the number. Okay. Remember this thing. Here they did like this. Means it's a all our numbers. Okay. Now I'll use it's a reverse one. If it is a if this will be here, then we can do easily. But it is a reverse. So you have to find the flight number. It's very easy. Lookup of 252. Here it is a number, there also a number. Okay, no change of that. Okay, we are lookup values a number and lookup vector is also a number. Okay, and the result vector will be this one. If it matches, pick up the flight name. If it is approximate, now see what will happen. 252 means it will pick up 252 flight 2 because it's less than but not equal to. Less than 252. If it is 255, it will show you the flight 3. Now it will show the flight 2. If I enter 255, it will show you the flight 3. Okay, understood? So when you don't ask me, it's very, very important. And here see what they did. I apply sum for both. See the difference. What will happen? Same thing. Actually, it is not. It is converted to general. Not converted to general. Actually, it is a number. It is a number. It is added to. Actually, it will show you the 0. Let's check it. Is it sum alt equal? What happens? Alt equal. It is judging like this. So we have to find like this. See, showing kgs only, but not the number. Actually, it pick up this one. For that, it is showing the wrong. See, it is showing only the kgs, but not the numbers. Okay. For that, what you have to use, you have to rid of the kgs. You have to remove the kgs. First of all, I'll show you like this. Then you will be able to understand. Substitute of this text with old text, space is there, space kgs, double quotes, and new text, double quotes. But what it will do, it will align to left, but not the right, because substitute is a function for text. Okay, so you have to convert into a right side, plus 0. Now it will become a number. You can add it, alt equal. Okay, so instead of doing these many procedures, I will tell you the another procedure, that is array function, substitute of these all things. We are giving more than one, means it's consider, Excel will consider this is an array function, and old text space cases and new text double quotes. Okay, now I highlight and I press function key F9 to see whether the function is running properly or not. What will be the output after I enter? Double quotes are there. See, for every number, double quotes are there. So what you will do here, instead of double quotes, you have to remove the double quotes. Just add 1 to the, add 0 to that. So F9, see, it will convert all into numbers. Previously, it was text numbers, because this is a text function. This is a text function, so it's converting into a text. So after converting into a numbers, you can add easily, but some product. Okay, it can handle array. Means it can handle array means you are not supposed to use Control Shift and Enter. You can simply enter. Okay, some product can handle array functions. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me here. And here is another thing. At the values, it starts with 0. The thing is also doing it. Yes, right. Okay. Add the values which name starts with 0. Okay, you have to add, means you have to find how many are there. Later you have to add only this thing. Okay, starts with C. See, this is this indicates single character. Sorry, it indicates single character. And it indicates more than one character. It is a single character and it indicates more than one character. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll use sum if. Okay, because we have to add sum if what you want to, because to I'll use every time I'll use sum if. No, there is no change. For sum if there will be one criteria. For sum ifs, more than one criteria. That's the difference. And sum range, sorry, comma criteria range. And now the criteria will be not only C. Okay, start with C. It's a text. So we are adding this text. Okay. Let's see if it will work or not. Okay. F9 3052. Means what it is doing? It is doing that it is checking the is first letter, any first letter is C or not. And if it is C, it will pick up that C and it will check. After C, letter C, is there any characters? First of all, it will check whether C's are there or not. The first letter C is there or not. If it is C, it will pick up. It will check whether after C is there any characters or not. Let's check it. Is it right or wrong? Okay. Cucumber. Okay, this thing. Capable, this thing. Cat, this thing. And cow, this thing. See, here and here. Okay, 3052. 3052. Okay. I'll show you. I know you are having some doubts. I'll clarify you. No need to worry. Here it is. Get age for 2 characters length. Okay, the character should be 2. The character should be, sorry, the length of the character should be 2 only. So we have to find what you want to find. You want to find the age. Okay, we'll use vlookup. Vlookup. How can you find? That is, it's a length of two characters. Usually I said that it indicates here. See. So it is thinking that we need two length of characters, comma 2, comma 0. Let's enter. If if officers, if employee, if boss asks, pick up and tell me the age of the name which is having one character. That is this. Every time you are not supposed to change. Why we want to change every time? Why don't we? It should be a dynamic way, so that just if you enter any number, it will pick up length of that characters. Suppose if I enter 2 here, automatically it pick up the 2 length characters. If I enter 3, automatically it has to pick up 3 length characters. Why don't it work? Again, every time we have to go. What is the use of wasting time by entering into the formula, editing and typing another question mark or deleting that extra question mark? So what is unnecessary wasting of our time? Okay, so what I'll do, simply I'll say you one function, repeat of any character, how many times? These times. Means what it will do, it will show you the 3 length characters. If I enter 2, it will pick up the 2 length character. If I enter 1, it will pick up the 1. If I enter 4, 4 to 3. If I enter 10, 6. Okay, 6. It's a dynamic way. Just we are entering here. So what I'll do here, just a repeat of question marks. What you want to repeat? Question mark. How many times? These many times. Okay, these many times. So automatically it will pick up 2 length character, 2 question marks. So automatically it will pick up the 19. Okay, see what I'll do. Just press enter. 3. 3 length is not there. Double 2 is there. I will make it 3. Okay. Okay, understood. If I enter 1 here, see length character. If you have any doubts, ask me. I'm here to explain you. Okay. And another thing is count of 2 length characters. Okay, it's very easy, just like this. Okay, what I'll do here, count of 2 length characters. Count if I use normal function. There is a lot of functions are there, but I use small function. Repeat of 2 length characters. Okay, add this. 2 length characters are 1. Again, what I'll do, instead of typing 2 length character over here, I will use repeat question mark. How many times? These many times. I already given value to the cell. Those 1. If I change to 3, it will pick up 3 is not 3 also 1. Okay, well, what I'll do, I'll make it 3 here. Total 2 are there. See. What I'll do to do better, what I'll do, length of this, okay, equal to this, F4. Simply to make you understand, I'm doing conditional format for this. Okay. So see, Alt HLN. Okay, what I'll do, Control B, but Here, what I'll do, I will lock the column. So it should not move sideways. It should not move sideways. Format, bold, fill with any color. Font will be the white. And if you want, you can keep it a borders for that. Red border, red border. Okay. So I change to two length character is not there. Okay. What I'll do, I'll make it this all two length characters. Totally three are there. Okay. Here is the vlookup to find the age here, counting the length of characters. Okay. Finding the length of the characters. If you have any doubts, ask me here in the comment box. Whenever I get a free time, I'll check it and I will answer you. Thank you. Thanks for your support.